Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chad with Extensive Auto Works, and today we're going to be finishing up Augustine's 2017 F-150. We did full 6-inch lift, fab tech, full powder coat, you know, strip it down. We did full color match on it as well, custom painted emblems. We put some fuel forged 24x12s on it, wrapped in 35-inch tires. This truck's one of my favorites, to be honest. We actually did this truck about 6 or 7 months ago, doing some finishing touches on it. If you want to walk with me, we got the color match mirrors. We broke the leaf springs apart, did those the illusion gold powder coat as well, and we also pulled the rear end out of this truck and paint matched it to the body. Aftermarket tail lights, color match bumper plastics, handles, bed trim, all the good stuff. So yeah, you guys watch it, enjoy it, let us know what you think.